Spring is very much a long-awaited event in the gardening calendar, and if you want to inject a little bit of very early colour into the borders, then I've just pulled together a few plants which would do just that. Now, probably the biggest, brushiest, showiest of the lot is the forsythia, and this is instantly recognisable in the garden when you see it. The bare stems are laden with these flowers and they're just aflame with colour when they're in bloom. Then of course we've got the spring flowering, late winter, early spring flowering camellias. Now these come in huge range of flower shapes and forms, from these little petite affairs to really quite big and blousy things. But they're evergreen, so offer year-round interest with their foliage when not in flower. I've also got another big plant in the back here. That's a ribes or ornamental currant, and these pretty pinkish red flowers appear virtually at the same time as the new foliage, so it's really fresh looking. Then I've pulled out a few pyrrhus here. Now this one's got dark pinky red flowers. This one's got white flowers. What I also love about this group of plants is that the new foliage, when it appears in spring, is this really vibrant red or pink colour. So it really does give a bold blast of colour in the borders. And last but not least, it's time for the skimmias to start opening their flowers. Now, these have been in bud all the way throughout the winter, and what I love about these plants is they've got a really sweet honey scent as well. So there we are, just a few early flowering plants that are going to add a bit of pizzazz to your borders.